The first part of the Schedule Settings tab at the upper left is Visit Types. This is where you can customize the types of visits to show exactly the kinds of appointments your clinic offers. The table of visit types shows you the name of each type of visit, its color and abbreviation, its default duration, its sorting order, and whether it's active or not. The list is separated into a few major categories for convenience: initial visits, return visits, procedures, meetings, and administrative items. When editing this list, you can either add a new type of visit or edit an existing type. When you edit an existing type here, you change its default qualities. So for instance, if you want massage appointments to usually be 90 minutes instead of 60, make that change here. If you want to change an appointment that's already been scheduled, you wouldn't do that here. The Edit Visit Type window. The Edit Visit Type window has two tabs: Details for basic settings about how these visits are scheduled, and Portal Settings, which contains settings for allowing patients to self-schedule their own appointments through your website. For more information about the self-scheduling portal, see the OfficePro documentation. As an example, let's create a new visit type, craniosacral therapy. I'll click the plus sign at the upper right of the Visit Types box to open the Add Visit Type window. Here I'll type in an abbreviation, CST, and a full name, craniosacral therapy. When I click the Color Form field, I can click anywhere on the color gradient to pick a new color. Sort order is optional. If we use it, smaller numbers appear at the top of the list and larger numbers at the bottom. I'll enter 20 to move it down the list slightly. If two items have the same sorting order, then they'll be sorted alphabetically by their abbreviation. I'll pick the category of procedures and a duration of 45 minutes. This isn't our most common visit type, so I won't make it the default. The default visit type is the visit type that will already be selected when you start to schedule a visit. Since visits of the same type often have the same charges or service codes, you can attach a default service code to this visit type so that it appears on the encounter receipt automatically. I'll select the craniosacral service code from the drop-down list. The second tab, Portal Settings, contains settings for allowing patients to schedule their own visits online using the OfficePro portal that you can embed on your website. I want craniosacral visits available on my online portal, so I'll check Offer Online, enter an estimated price for patients to see, and enter a brief description to help patients understand what this visit type is. Finally, I'll select the providers who offer craniosacral therapy and the rooms that can be used for it. These settings determine what providers and rooms can be scheduled for craniosacral visits when patients sign up online. Now, when I click Add Visit Type, the window closes and we see craniosacral therapy in the list of visit types. Once you've got a complete list of the visit types you offer, you'll be able to schedule visits for the appropriate providers and circumstances easily. We'll cover how to schedule visits later in the Add a Visit tutorial. For more information about the OfficePro portal, please see the Portal Settings tutorial video. In the next video, you'll learn how to set up rooms and other clinic resources, holidays, and other settings to make your schedule work smoothly.